Hi, this is Judge Harry Bowden with Child Support Court Vodcast. Make sure you go to childsupportcourttv.com. Check out the new videos, our sponsors, and get to Ask Judge Harry, where you can call in every Tuesday from 9:30 to 11 and ask Judge Harry. Thank you for being a loyal viewer of Child Support Court, the Vodcast, with Judge Harry Bowden.
GetMyBabyMoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
We're getting close to the world premiere of GetMyBabyMoney.com music video. You're going to love it. Welcome back to Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Bowden. We have a caller on the line. Caller, how are you doing?
I'm fine, and yourself?
I'm doing well, thank you. Whom am I speaking to?
This is Louise.
Hey, Louise, how can I help you today?
I have a question. I have my grandbaby here with me, and I have absolutely no form of support from her father. Is there any way or anything I can do to get some help in raising her?
There is, Louise, and it starts with a Y, ends with a S. Yes. Okay, the main thing that you have to do, Louise, is you have to establish that you are the guardian of that child. In doing so, you're able to get the full benefits of a parent who has the custody of the child. Now, there may be circumstances where the child's mother is not able to, and she, of course, would have to acquiesce. She would have to agree to this. But doggone it, if you're caring for the child and you go through the right procedures, then yes, you are able, as a guardian and custodian of the child, get the benefits of being a guardian or custodian by going after by seeking child support against the non-custodial father. Do you know where he is?
I do.
Good. Of course you would, because you're a grandmom, and grandmoms know those things.
Absolutely.
Has he reached out at all to address the issue of supporting the child?
No, he has not.
Okay, that's sad. That's sad. But you know something, Louise? The child is so lucky, so blessed to have you in their life. They really, really are. But what I'm going to need you to do, I'm going to need you to stand up and go after it, because it makes a big difference. We need to support you supporting our child. And we're going to be right back, right after we hear a word from our sponsors. Getting married has been made easier. Don't wait. If you are in love, get your wedding ceremony performed virtually or in person at one of our many locations. Get your nuptials in no time. Now you have a friend in the wedding business. Go to streamingvows.com today. And we're back. We had a great call with Louise, and we talked about the issue of, can a third party, a grandparent, get the rights to seek child support for that child that they are caring for? Yes, they can. Yes, they can. And they should. Ladies and gentlemen, when we started off, we wanted to broaden the scope of child support. And now we have, because we've broadened the participants in it. It's not just the custodial, the non-custodial. It's the extended family when we talk about supporting the child. And when a person doesn't want to do that, we have to question why. We have to question why, but more importantly, the person who's not doing it has to question why. Because as a village, it takes all of us. We know that. As a community, we don't like it. So we're going to all join in to get our baby's money. And we're going to be on one accord. Because the issue of who is able to get that extends. You know, when we have to leave our children at a daycare, when we have to leave our children at an after school, wasn't a time so different? Oh, wasn't a time so different? Oh my gosh, it is so different from the 60s. Yeah, I was born in 61. It's a big difference. I was born in 61, and it was a time where I can say it. Miss Brown, yes, and Steve, yes, and Bruce, yes, and Renee, yes, were my extended family. And whenever I was hungry, yes, I went over, didn't knock on the door, walked right in and said, I'm hungry, and they fed me. And I know we still do it today, but guess what? We need to do it more, because these are all of our children. Modification, up and down, change of circumstances, we've expanded who our family is. And those grandparents out there, talk to me. Yes, I'm a grandparent too. Yes, I'm a grandparent too. Yes, I'm a grandparent too. And you know how proud we are and how happy we are and how beautifully, wonderful, glad to see them we are. But then sometimes they gotta stay. And that turns us a little bit into that remembrance when we've done our part and well, that's another subject. I'm sorry. That's another subject. And we'll talk about that subject on the next show. The Child Support Court Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. Thank you for coming, and I expect to see you back.